Hey, this is Jim Johnson with America's Home Place here in Blairsville, Georgia, and I wanted to take just a minute to talk to you about some of our window options that we offer here at our America's Home Place Blairsville office. And we offer here a Ply Gem vinyl window. It's a LowE window. We offer it in 3 different colors: white, almond, and clay, all standard for you to choose from. We also offer 4 different grid patterns. We offer a prairie style, we offer a colonial style window, and then we offer a craftsman style 3/1, and then we offer one that has no grids. In a lot of our mountain homes, people choose to have no grids in their windows. These are a single hung vinyl tilt sash window, and again they're energy efficient LowE windows. And again, all those different colors, all the different grid styles, all standard. We pride ourselves here at America's Home Place in Blairsville, where we offer you multiple things to choose from that's part of the standard package. So I want to take the opportunity to invite you to come visit us here at Blairsville location, or visit us on our website, americashomeplace.com. And if you liked our video today, please subscribe and you'll get videos in the future. Thank you for watching today.